Hey, what's up YouTube? I got another knife review for you today. This is the brand Trivisa. Alright, so it comes in a box like this. Hold on. Oh wait, there's their slogan. Cool, cool. So it comes with a cloth, a carrying bag, some literature, and this is the knife itself. Yes, 3.3 inches in blade length, 14C 20AN Swedish Sandvik stainless steel. That's the hardness. Blue Micarta handle scales. It is a front flipper. Normal price $44, but it is often on sale. I paid $35 for mine, and it is only 3 ounces in weight. So you see the pocket clip there. Open pillar construction with liners. You've got a lanyard hole there. It's a full flat grind. I like that steel. That's one of my favorite steels. That's one reason I got this. I just like the Sandvik steel. I'm very familiar with it. That's a useful blade shape in terms of draw cutting with the tip, as well as that flat part mincing and pushing cuts again with that flat part. Now this is my offhand, but that's how you open a front flipper. If you practice more, you can open it faster, right? See that? It's a liner lock. Yeah, I'm really not used to front flippers. I'm used to index flippers, but yeah, you can get the hang of it. Love that blade shape. Yeah, the Denim Micarta collection. It started with this knife, which was just a cheap $16 knife, right? It's a tuna fire actually. It's a bullnose spear point. And then I got this knife, which is a real steel knife. And again, it's got that Denim Micarta. So now you're realizing, oh, this is like a fetish, huh? We're gonna have to devote some time in therapy to why do you need this Denim Micarta? Well, you know how collectors are, but I use all my knives as well, right? User and collector. But this is a real steel fixed blade. Scandi grind, I already reviewed this. I saw this, I was not familiar with the brand. Who knows what the next one will be, right? Now all I need is like a sword and a machete. That'd be pretty cool, huh? A sword and machete that uses that. Yeah, this came very sharp. Definitely. Alright, cutting a few more things. Look at the shadows on me. That's my camo. That's my Predator camo. Alright, got some paracord here. Goes right through. Here it is on stretchy bike tire tubing. Right through. Here it is on seatbelt type material. Again, it'll just go right through. Alright, here's a zip tie. Can it cut a zip tie? Well, sure it can. Alright, so there you go. Now, nobody's even going to be using this for, you know, bushcraft. They're going to open their mail with it, but just in case you wanted to do something more with it, here it is, making a notch. Oh, the wind died down. Excellent. All right, so we added another shallow notch to the notch practice stick that we've been using. Been using this all year. Alright, my YouTube friends, so this is the time in the video where I thank everyone who has made a special effort to leave comments on all my videos. It has actually really helped with the algorithm, which helps circulate the videos, and therefore new people can find the channel and join our community. Alright, so thank you for that, and keep it up if you have time. I appreciate everyone who takes the time and energy to leave a comment. I hope you're all doing well these days. It's a beautiful day out today. Yeah, this thing came sharp. Definitely. Love that full flat grind. It's just a handy little pocket knife. I had never heard of this brand before. I've never spoken to them. I just bought this with my own money because I liked how it looked, and I like that steel. Like the blade shape, so it checked several boxes. Alright, so this just kicked ass on the the pencil sharpening test or the whittling test. We put a tip on that. All right, so what are my final thoughts on this knife? I've never tried this brand before. Am I glad that I did? Absolutely. Was it worth the money? Definitely, I feel like it was worth the price that I paid. $35. It's attractive. It has a ceramic bearing pivot, right? So it comes out smoothly. The lockup was secure. It came very sharp, and I like that steel, right? So it just checked all those boxes for me. So definitely recommended as a budget-friendly pocket knife, just for everyday utility, or you could give it as a gift. All right, so hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy videos like this, feel free to subscribe.